This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your hobbies and ask others about theirs. Let's start. Brian, what do you do for fun?
I play guitar. I practice almost every day.
That's cool. Notice Brian said, I play guitar. We use play for sports and instruments like play soccer, play piano, play tennis.
Yeah, it's the verb we use.
Right. Let's practice. Say, I play guitar.
I play guitar.
Good. Again.
I play guitar.
Perfect. Now, we also use go for some hobbies, like go swimming, go running, go hiking.
Oh, I go running too, usually in the morning.
See? Go running. Let's practice that. Say, I go running.
I go running.
Nice. One more time.
I go running.
Excellent. Now, Brian, how often do you play guitar?
Every day. Well, most days. Maybe 5 times a week.
Good. Those are frequency words. Every day, sometimes, usually, often. They're really useful.
They help explain your habits.
Exactly. Let's practice every day. Say it.
Every day.
Great. Again.
Every day.
Perfect. Now, here's how we ask about hobbies. What do you do for fun? Or what are your hobbies? Both work.
I hear, what do you do for fun more often?
Me too. It's more casual. Let's practice it. Say, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun?
Good. Once more.
What do you do for fun?
Wonderful. Now I'll answer. I like reading. I read before bed every night.
What do you read?
Mostly novels, sometimes magazines. Notice I said, I like reading. We can say, I like plus the hobby, like I like cooking or I like painting.
That's an easy pattern.
It is. Let's practice. Say, I like reading.
I like reading.
Perfect. Again.
I like reading.
Great work. Now, sometimes we say, I'm into something. It means you really like it.
Oh yeah, like I'm into photography now.
Exactly. It's more enthusiastic. You can also say, I'm interested in something.
Right. I'm interested in cooking lately.
Good examples. Now, what if you don't like something? You can say, I don't really like, or just, I don't like.
Like, I don't really like running. Too boring for me.
Wait, you said you go running.
Did I? Okay, bad example. I don't like cooking then.
There we go. Let's practice. Say, I don't like cooking.
I don't like cooking.
Good. One more time.
I don't like cooking.
Nice. Now, here's another useful phrase. In my free time. That's when we do hobbies.
Right. In my free time, I watch movies.
Perfect example. Let's practice that phrase. Say, in my free time.
In my free time.
Excellent. Again.
In my free time.
Great. So you can say, in my free time, I play video games, or whatever you do.
Yeah, it's a good way to start.
It is. Now, we can also ask, how long have you been doing that if someone mentions a hobby?
Oh, that's about duration.
Right, like how many years or months. Brian, how long have you been playing guitar?
About 3 years now.
See? Simple answer. About 3 years. You can also say for 3 years or since 2022.
Both work fine.
They do. Now, let's talk about trying new things. You can say, I want to try something.
Like, I want to try painting.
Exactly. Or, I'm thinking about doing something. That means you're considering it.
I'm thinking about learning Spanish.
Good example. Let's practice, I want to try. Say it.
I want to try.
Perfect. Again.
I want to try.
Excellent. Now, sometimes people ask, are you good at it? That's asking about skill level.
Right. And you can say, I'm pretty good, or I'm still learning.
Exactly. Or, I'm not very good yet. That's honest.
Yeah, no pressure.
Right. Let's review the main patterns. First, talking about hobbies. Say, I play guitar.
I play guitar.
Good. Next, using like. Say, I like reading.
I like reading.
Nice. Now asking others. Say, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun?
Perfect. And frequency. Say, every day.
Every day.
Excellent. Now let's do a full conversation. I'll start. Brian, what do you do for fun?
I watch movies. I'm really into old films right now.
Oh, cool. How often do you watch them?
Maybe 3 times a week. What about you?
I like baking. I bake on weekends usually.
Are you good at it?
I'm still learning, but it's fun.
That's what matters.
Exactly. See how natural that was? Now you try at home. Think about your hobbies. Practice saying them out loud.
Yeah, say it a few times.
Right. Use I like or I play or I go, whatever fits your hobby. And remember, you can talk about how often you do it.
That makes it more interesting.
It does. You can also mention if you're good at it or still learning. People appreciate honesty.
For sure.
All right, we covered a lot today. You learned how to talk about hobbies, ask others about theirs, and describe how often you do them.
You're ready to have real conversations.
You are. Now here's my question for you. What's your favorite hobby? Write it in the comments. Tell us what you like to do.
We want to know.
And if this lesson helped you, subscribe for more beginner English practice. We make new lessons every week.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time. Bye.